To find the Spectrum TV app on your Roku device, start from the Roku home screen. Use your Roku remote to navigate to the search option. Type Spectrum TV into the search bar. Auto suggestions will appear to help you. Select Spectrum TV from the search results to be directed to the Roku channel store. In the channel store, you'll see the Spectrum TV app. Click the Add Channel button to install the app. The installation process only takes a few seconds. Once installed, the Spectrum TV app will appear on your Roku home screen. After adding the Spectrum TV app, open it from your Roku home screen. You'll need your Spectrum username and password to log in. You can enter these directly on your Roku device or use the QR code option. Scanning the QR code with your smartphone will redirect you to spectrum.net/Roku, where you can log in and link your account. Once logged in, you can access live TV channels, on-demand content, and your DVR recordings, if applicable to your Spectrum subscription. The app requires an active Spectrum cable or internet package to function. The Spectrum TV app offers over 200 live channels and on-demand libraries using adaptive bitrate streaming to optimize for your internet speed. 10 megabyte PISA minimum is recommended.